Hi guys, this is Will, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami flick football. You ready? Let's go. So first, fold it down so that these edges meet up. Then you're going to do the same thing. Take this end and pull it down to the edges that you just pulled down. Okay, you want to crease it. Now you're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to unfold it. And you see this line right here? You're going to fold this so that this meets up with the line. Now you're going to crease this. You're going to fold this over. And now you're going to fold this behind, right on this. So you have this flap over here. And then you're going to fold it down like this. And now you're going to open this pocket up and fold it down so this part is over this. And now, see this? Where this comes to an end? You're going to fold this on it. So it looks like this. Now you're going to flip it over and fold this like this. Now you're going to flip it back over and fold this down where you had the crease that folded behind here. And you fold it and you tuck this to here so it looks like a square. Now you're going to fold this up like this. You want to make the crease super pushed down. Now, I'm going to open this pocket again. Put this inside. There you go. Got a flick football. And now, I'm going to show you how to flick it. Not the best. Sometimes it goes good, sometimes it doesn't. Well, that's all for this episode.
This time.